Hi guys and welcome to this video. So this will be an motivational video and a self-development discipline video. Okay. So from the last few days I have been reading a lot of books on self-development, and in one of the book what I was reading, the author Napoleon Hill talks about desire. Okay. So this part is called as burning desire. So desire is a starting point of all achievement is what this author is telling. Okay. So this motivation video can be implemented in any of the field what you want to excel in. Okay. So as our channel is dedicated on stock market, so I'll be giving you the example of stock market as well and real world other category example as well. So this can be implemented in any of the field where you want to achieve something or excel in something. Okay. So now let's talk about what is desire. So guys, now let's understand what is desire. Okay. The feeling of wanting something very much, a strong wish, is known as desire. Okay. So let it be anything. So for example, if you are a trader, your desire is to make good trades and achieve in stock market. Okay. Or if you are doing something, the desire is to achieve and learn something what you are doing. So that is called as desire. Okay. So now let me give you some real world example of people who had burning desires. Okay. And what did they achieve from having this burning desire? So the first example is Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb. So Edison had over 10,000 failed attempts before successfully inventing the light bulb. Okay. So despite repeated failures, he never gave up and he had a burning desire to succeed. And he has a famous quote which says, I have not failed, I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Okay, so guys, this is an example of people who had burning desires, and from their desires, what did they achieve? So, as you guys know, famous scientist Thomas Edison has invented the light bulb. Okay, so he's the inventor of the light bulb. So, before he invent the light bulb, there was 10,000 failed attempts before he made a successful light bulb. So guys, imagine 10,000 failed attempt he has done to achieve one single thing. Okay. So here, what do we come to know? So if you have any burning desire to do something, so you never gave up. Okay. So you never give up on that and you keep successfully trying that and you keep gaining the knowledge on that. Okay. And now let's talk about other real world examples. Steve Jobs, founder of an Apple company. So now everyone knows the company Apple. So they make good iPhones, laptops, tabs, and much more things. So you know Apple, the brand. Okay. So Steve Jobs had an obsession with creating innovating technology that would change the world. Okay, so even after being fired from his own company, he never lost his vision and eventually returned to lead Apple to global success brand. His relentless focus on perfection and creativity turned Apple into a $1 trillion company for today. So this is how the Steve Jobs had his obsession in creating the good products and becoming a good big product in the world. Okay, so these are some real world example, and in the field of trading we do have Warren Buffett, Rakesh Jinjinwala, and many more people as an example. Okay, so now I said you some example, I've explained you what is desire and what this author is telling to implement in us. Okay, so I'm telling you all these things. So now how to work on your desire. So this is very important part. Okay, so now I'll be telling you how to work on your desire and what are the points you need to take care of and how you can implement this in your life to learn anything or to become anything. Okay, so let's talk about it. And before that, if you guys are new to a stock market trading, or if you are willing to learn trading and want to improve your knowledge and education and skill in trading, you can join my educational based stock market course today. So, in the course, I'll be guiding you with the skill set and the strategy, and I'll be teaching you how to analyze the chart, the trading discipline, what is needed. And note, trading involves risk. Okay, so in the course, we'll be covering you about how to manage the risk in trading as well. So, you can contact me on the number displayed on the screen if you are interested to learn from me and if you are a serious learner. Okay, so now let's talk about how to work on your desire. So first thing is that set a clear and specific goal. So the author Napoleon Hill emphasizes that a desire must be clear and specific and not vague. So let me give you some example on this so that you'll understand. For example, as we are talking about trading, let's talk about what is the wrong approach and what's the right approach here. I want to make money in the stock market. So this is a wrong approach. But what is the right approach here? I will make XYZ money in the market in XYZ time by mastering the trading skill. So this is a right approach. Okay. So don't just go by a vague method telling that I will just do this or I will just do that. So before you tell that, plan how you will achieve that. Okay, so for example here, if you want to make that XYZ money in the market, so you will require XYZ time. So for example, let's say for 1 year you'll make some XYZ profit is what you're thinking. So now you have to plan. So if you want to achieve that XYZ, so what is the ABC you want to achieve per month so that you can achieve that XYZ in 1 year? So that's how the right approach is. So guys, it's not only about the stock market, so it can be in any field whatever you're trying. So this should be your right approach. A clear goal and a specific goal should be there. Okay, and make sure you write this goal and read this goal every single day in the morning so that you don't miss out on your goal and you will be constantly reminded by your goal. Okay, and guys, so far if you're watching the video and if you're liking this content, do give a like for this video and do subscribe to my channel because I'll be uploading a lot of educational video on the stock market like this in the upcoming days. So what is the second step to achieve your burning desire? Develop an unbreakable commitment. Okay, a strong desire means you won't quit when you're facing losses or when you're facing tough situation. So, for example, in the trading field, what happens is many traders give up after 2 to 3 bad losses or bad trades, but successful traders persist, learn, and improve. So, they always focus on improving. So, if they fail, they do a research on that why they are failing and what's happening and what's going wrong. So, they try to become successful by learning and improving their skill. So, the third thing is create a daily trading ritual. Okay, so if you're doing any other activity, you can create your ritual for that. Okay, so success in trading isn't luck, it's daily discipline and improvement. Spend some dedicated time daily studying charts or market news and improving strategies and skills what you need to achieve, and read market related books and backtest the trading setups. So this will improve in your trading skills. Okay, or if you want to get success in any other field, so you need to dedicate your time daily. So dedication is very important. It's not like you dedicate your time whenever you like or whenever you get free or something like that. On daily basis, whether it's for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes or 1 hour, to achieve anything you need to give that dedication for that particular minutes or time, and then you can learn it. Okay, and the fourth thing is visualize your success daily. So the author Napoleon Hill talks about the power of visualization, seeing yourself achieving your goal before it happens. So visualize what you are going to get successful of so that your subconscious mind will get used to it and it will make the ways to achieve your path. Okay, and never stop learning and adapting. The market changes constantly. Okay, so successful trader, what they do is they keep on learning and they keep on improving their skill and evolving so that they are not left behind and they keep on doing the successful things. So guys, these are the 5 steps how you can get to your burning desire and make your burning desire work for you. So I hope this video was very helpful, and hope this video motivated you guys. So if you guys have liked this video, do give a like for this video, and if you guys are interested to learn from me, you can message me number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me and contact me. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.